Guys, welcome back to another video. This is the truck, brand new truck. It's like I think it's like I don't know, it's kind of like a gunmetal gray. But yeah, this is the 2016 Ford F150 XL. I think the rims is matching the truck. At the metal, some metal. Yeah, this you can get this. It's like an option. You can get. I think Ford should have put in another door right here, but this is a concealed door. The door, when you open up the door, it's gonna be like that. Interior of this. Back is tinted so you can't see it. Kind of like a big, not that much leg space, but that's fine. You can see, probably can't see this part, but yeah. So this is my uncle's new truck. You can see the red one is not here anymore. He sold it, so I can make more videos with this truck. So yeah, this is the XTL. The rims matching, color fantastic, gunmetal gray. Like that Ford logo, historic. This side, normal Ford F-150 truck, gunmetal gray. I think this truck has maybe a longer bed to it. I think last time I saw the red truck was March, the last day of March. So yeah, it's a nice truck. Very nice truck. I mean, the color is matching. Yeah, remember the truck, the red truck used to be right there. They sold it. How much? $2K. But yeah. This is a new memo of the family. So yeah, kind of hot out here, so maybe post a thumbnail picture. Do have that bed cover. I don't think it fits because it's go. I don't think it fits. But anyway, I will see you in tomorrow's video. I think with different rims we can make it more, but yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching this video so much. Peace out. One final walk now. you guys in the next video. Bye bye.